Cancer Care Center had been buying fuel vouchers from me for about a year, and I would see these people knowing to the right is chemo, to the left is radiation, and on the counter was a jar for gas stamps, and I thought we should be able to do more.
Cancer is a very pervasive disease. Most of us know someone who has been impacted by it.
It's a real thing. When you wake up at 8 in the morning and you have to drive from Harvey to Minot 5 days a week for chemo, that's a stress I just didn't think they needed.
This fundraiser means a lot, and just thinking about the number of patients that it helps pay for those transportation costs back and forth for those treatments just takes one of those worries that they have away.
If you're part of the community, you want to know that you're loved and that there are people that are there for you when you need them.
This Fuel the Fight fundraiser is very near and dear to me as our patients at the Cancer Care Center. One of the biggest barriers that we find is the out-of-pocket expenses related to transportation costs.
I'm a physician at the hospital, been there for 24 years, and as we're talking about Fuel the Fight, so people traveling in from outside of Minot, they need help with fuel costs. They need support for fighting their cancer.
I think a lot of people don't realize that Trinity Cancer Care Center serves patients from 18 different counties in North Dakota, as well as patients from eastern Montana and Canada. And when people are commuting 150 miles or more just to get treatment, the cost of transportation can be a significant barrier to them. Well, events like Fuel the Fight help us raise funds to help these patients with their transportation costs.
Minot and the surrounding communities are very supportive of Trinity Cancer Care. It's great to see that collaboration and these businesses come together, helping raise funds for these patients. And I think it builds camaraderie amongst everyone in the community.
As the years progress, I want to see more money raised, because more money raised means more people helped, and that's what it's all about.
I'd love to see more members of the community participate in this event and make a difference, because while Dakota Square ARCO and the foundation are kind of the vehicles that are helping provide this event, it's really the individuals, the organizations, the corporations who are making the direct impact in the lives of the cancer patients.
An event like this is just the start, and I hope it snowballs so that a lot more awareness of everything that we do is brought to the community in the region.
You know, even if it's $100 extra, well, it's 2 vouchers. Somebody gave me a $1,000 check randomly this year, and I said, that's 20 trips back and forth. It's a big deal. That these people are already stressed, they're sick. It should not be something they have to worry about.